Installation and operation of 3-source evaporation coating apparatus. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the air compressor power supply. Water cooler power supply. Vacuum pump power supply. This power cord is connected to a 110V power supply. This is the main power switch. After connecting the power cord, turn on the main power switch. Power on the device. Turn on the vacuum gauge power. Turn on the molecular pump power. Turn on the water cooler power. Turn on the vacuum pump. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Open the evaporation source shutter. Remove the evaporation source cover. Place evaporation source material. Close the cover. Adjust the position. Close the evaporation source shutter. Now install the sample. Installation complete. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to get vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. After the vacuum value is below 20%, the flapper valve and the shut-off valve will open automatically. Now start the molecular pump. When the vacuum meets the requirements, the flow meter can be opened to clean the cavity. Take argon as an example. For example, enter 200. Clean for about 10 分钟 use. This is the actual flow. After cleaning, click flow meter. Enter 0 to turn off the flow meter. The actual flow rate becomes 0. Then click return. After the vacuum reaches the appropriate value, Click to set the sample stage rotation. For example, 10. Click forward. Click to return. If you need to adjust the height of the sample stage, click the sample stage to reset. Then set the corresponding height. For example, 50. The lifting process can be observed through the observation window. Next, use the film thickness controller to start the coating. Click the next menu. Click again. Then click on the process menu. Take test as an example. Rotate the knob. Click select. Click on the main menu. Click to start. Click start execution. Now start coating. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. When the film thickness reaches the set film thickness, this evaporation source stops coating. After the coating is completed, click to turn off the molecular pump. Click to turn off stage rotation. Then click on the sample. Click OK. Now deflation. After the vacuum value reaches the atmospheric pressure of 10,000 Pa, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.